Welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can enable Grok Personalization on X. So let's get started. Firstly, open X app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Privacy and Safety. Then scroll until you find Grok Personalization. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of allow your X data as well as your interactions with Grok to be used for personalizing your Grok experience. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can enable Grok personalization on X. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.